gagawin natin dito is finding the roots. Of a quadratic equation. So number 1, we have x squared is equal to 16. So, ang una natin gagawin dito ay, since it is a perfect square, we can just square it. So, square natin siya. And if we square it, then we just get an x here. And here is 4. Well, it's actually plus and minus 4. Plus and minus 4. So, number 2, t squared is equal to 81. So, ganun din ang process. T squared is equal to 81. Square root natin both sides. So, we have a t is equal to 9. So, then number 3, mayroon tayo r squared is equal to r squared minus 100 is equal to 0. So, since 100 is a perfect square, we can put it on the other side. Okay, go to toilet. So, we have r squared is equal to 100. So, we plus 100 here and plus 100 on the other equal sign. So, and then we take the square root. So, we have r is equal to 10. Plus and minus 10. So, number 4, x squared minus 144 is equal to 0. So, plus din natin ang 144 dito din. Kasi whatever you do dito sa left side ng equal sign, then you should do the same thing on the right side of the equal sign. Kasi that means equal. You do the same thing to both sides. So, mayroon tayong x squared is equal to 144, I'm sorry. And 144 is a perfect square. So, mayroon tayo. So, square root natin dito. So, mayroon tayong x dito. 144 is a 12. Kasi 12 times 12 is equal to 144. So, 10 times 10 is equal to 100. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So, kasi ang square root at saka squared are opposite. So, they undo each other. So, number 5, mayroon tayong 2s squared is equal to 50. So, kapag i-divide natin ng 2, so mayroon, cancel the 2 here. So, mayroon tayong s squared is equal to 50 divide 2 is equal to 25. So, kapag square root natin both sides, so, matitira lang dito is s, and dito is 5. So, dito po number 6, 4x squared minus 225 is equal to 0. So, i-plus natin ang 225. Plus din natin dito sa kabila. So, mayroon na lang tayong 4x squared is equal to 225. So, kapag this is a perfect square, so square na lang natin sila. So, mayroon tayong 2x is equal to square root of 225 is 15. So, now we solve for x. S is equal to 15 over 2. So, meron tayong 3h squared minus 147 is equal to 0. So, factor natin ang 3 since It's a common factor to both of them. So, 49 is equal to 0. Then, divide natin ng 3. So, meron tayo dito, h squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Divide 3 is still 0. So, lagyan natin itong 49 dito, kabila. So, h squared is equal to 49. And then, square root natin sila. So, h is equal to 7.